In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell on TradeLocker. Now, this is actually very simple. Whenever you open up your TradeLocker over here, first you want to make sure you are up here on this part, so you want to click on this button. So actually, of course, the easiest way to see everything is if you have this button enabled over here, so we can see all the bids, the asks, the instruments, etc. And then down here at the bottom, you have the sell and buy button. So if you want to buy, you can click over here, and if you want to sell, you can click over here. Now, what's very important over here is you can of course adjust how much you want to buy either by clicking this minus or plus button over here, or what you can also do is just type it in manually like this. Now, it's very important as well that you know that you also have the option to take a risk, stop loss, and take profit order. So you want to click on this arrow up, and over here you can select a few different things. So the first one, if you want a market or a pending order, so this is up to you. And then after that, if you want to sell or buy, of course, and then here you can select a trailing stop loss, or you can select just the stop loss or the take profit. You can customize the price, the ticks, P&L, and the balance. And then last important thing, if you want to enable the risk over here, you can go ahead and do that too, or you can go ahead and switch between lots and USD over here, whichever is more convenient to you and whichever you prefer. So that's pretty much it. And then whenever you are ready, you can just go ahead and hit buy or sell over here, and then you are good to go. So for example, like this, there we go. I'm going to confirm that. There we go, I just bought, and then as you can see, you can go ahead and sell by just clicking sell over here and then confirm, and there we go, I've now sold. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.